Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can turn the 18 plus content option off from your subreddit. Well, if you have created your subreddit by keeping the 18 plus content option on, it will not be visible to all Reddit users, which will decrease the engagement of your subreddit. Anyhow, if for some reason you want to turn off the 18 plus content option, you sure can by going to General Settings under Mod Tools. And under Privacy and Discovery tab, click on Mature Contents option and click on Request Change. Here, write why you want to turn it off and submit it. Then the Reddit mods will get in touch for further clarification if needed. Moreover, you can go to this article to read more about turning off the 18 plus content option. And this is how you can turn the 18 plus content option off from your subreddit. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.